Today's topic is Chapter 2, Introduction to Windows 8. About the chapter Windows 8 vocabulary. Where do I find run command, restart, shutdown, sleep, control panel, new start screen, opening, switching and closing apps, charms bar. Windows 8 is the latest version of Windows. It is completely redesigned operating system developed from the ground up with touch screen use in mind as well as near instant on capabilities that enable a Windows 8 PC to load and start up in a matter of seconds rather than in minutes. Windows 8 is the latest operating systems of Windows. It is completely redesigned operating system. ये जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है विंडोज 8 कम्प्लीटली नए तरीके से डिजाइन किया गया है जिसमें टच स्क्रीन को ऐड किया गया है। इसमें आप दोनों तरीके से वर्क कर सकते हैं, आइदर टच स्क्रीन और यूजिंग माउस और कीबोर्ड। बोथ फैसिलिटीज अवेलेबल देयर एंड इट्स वर्किंग स्पीड इज ऑल्सो हाई। नेक्स्ट, Windows 8 vocabulary. First one is apps. Apps is another word for program in Windows 8. Some apps come built-in to Windows and there are even more available in the Windows Store. Apps, also called a program in Windows 8. In Windows 8, all softwares called apps, just like mobile, because it used in both devices, either computer or mobile. That's why the name softwares or program is called in Windows 8 apps application. Next one is live tiles. Interactive apps that take advantage of internet access to provide real-time updates. These features allow us using internet. It provides a real-time updates. We can use latest and new technologies with the help of these options. Next one is hot corners. The corners on your screen are hot corners and give you access to different Windows features. जो कॉर्नर्स हैं आपके स्क्रीन में उसी को हॉट कॉर्नर कहा जाता है। ये हमें प्रोवाइड करता है एक्सेस डिफरेंट विंडोज फीचर्स को। इसकी मदद से आप विंडोज के डिफरेंट फीचर्स को यूज कर सकते हैं, प्रोवाइडेड बाय। नेक्स्ट वन इज चार्म्स बार। कंटेन्स अ सेट ऑफ बटन्स एंड कमांड्स दैट कंट्रोल द एप्लीकेशन you are currently using as well as provides options for system settings. The charms bar includes many of the features previously available from the start button. Charms bar contains a set of commands or buttons that controls the applications you are currently using. It is the same as that oldest versions of our operating system like 7 or XP. All commands are available on start buttons. Same as charms bar stores all the commands that installed on our computer system. With the help of these options, we can easily start all those apps. Next one is Metro style. New layout of Windows 8 with tiles and apps instead of the standard desktop with a start button. These provide a start buttons in all apps in tile versions and a style. Next one is mobile. Windows 8 is designed for mobile devices such as tablets. You can also sign into your Windows 8 screen anywhere using your Live ID and you customize settings. In mobiles, Windows 8 is especially designed for mobile devices or tablets. You can easily sign in into your Windows 8 screen anywhere using Live IDs. Next one is touch centering. Touch is a key element in Windows 8. However, a traditional mouse and keyboard can be used as well. Touch centering. Touch is a key elements in Windows 8. However, टच जो है विंडोज 8 का की एलिमेंट्स है जिसमें आप टच से भी वर्क कर सकते और ये एडिशनल फीचर्स माउस एंड कीबोर्ड आल्सो सपोर्टेड. नेक्स्ट वन इज स्पीड बम्प्स. द स्मॉल गैप बिटवीन ग्रुप्स ऑफ टाइल्स. द स्पीड बम्प्स can be added to create new groups. With the help of these options, we can easily create the new groups in Windows 8. This provides a gap between groups of tiles. We can easily create. Next option is shutdown. Moreover, your mouse to the upper right corner of the screen and move your mouse down until you see the charm bars appearing and click settings, then click power and shutdown. These options will turn off or shut down your computer. When you start your computer, it will properly start. When you completed your work or finished your work, then you can shut down properly using the charms bar appearing and click settings options. After that, click on power option and select shutdown option. It will shut down your computers. All students read the topics very carefully and watch the videos. And if you have any doubts regarding any topics, then you can ask. Thank you.